There's a lot of tasks to be done in the kitchen, and cleaning your oven is definitely one that we're all guilty of putting off from time to time. But ovens with EcoClean make it that little bit easier. So EcoClean ovens have a special coating on the back plate, which basically breaks down greasy, dirty splatters over time using oxidation, which means you only have to clean the base, the sides, and the roof. And if you do get any dark patches like we've got here, you can set your oven to 3D hot air at a maximum temperature for 1 hour for a nice boost clean, which means you get a clean oven and it will save you time and energy. However, ovens with EcoClean Plus make it a whole lot easier. So EcoClean Plus ovens have a special coating on the back, the roof and the side, and basically this helps to break down grease and splatter over time using oxidation. It also comes with a built-in dedicated cleaning program, so all you need to do is clean the base. It's also able to monitor your cooking times, temperatures, and the programs you use to send you a reminder of when your oven needs a clean. So you get a nice clean oven that will save you loads of time and effort.